So what we'll cover today is what is Microsoft Word, how to access Microsoft Word, features of Microsoft Word, uses, purpose, how to create a Word document, collaborating with others in Microsoft Word tips and tricks, and then we'll do a live demo. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is a computer software word processor. Um, Microsoft Word is often called Word or MS Word. Microsoft Word was launched in 1983, and it was developed by Charles Simonyi and Richard Breuer, former programmers of Xerox. So, what is Microsoft Word used for? It is used for creating business papers with images, photos, charts, and diagrams. It's also used for making letters and letter hands for both personal and professional use. It's also used for creating resumes and invitation cards, as well as producing simple office memos to more complex documents like legal copies and reference. How to access Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is available as an app for desktop, Windows and Mac OS, mobile devices and tablets like iOS and Android, and online. Microsoft Word for the web is free for anyone to use online. You just open Word on Windows by going to Start, then All Programs, MS Office, and MS Word. And to open Word on Mac, you go to Open Pages, click File, Open, find Word document, and then Pages will automatically convert the Word file. Features of Microsoft Word, the uses and purpose. Microsoft Word is accessible and user-friendly. Some features of Microsoft Word include creating text documents. Once you open a new blank MS Word doc, the first thing you'll see is a blank sheet on a blinking insertion point where you can type, format, or customize your words and sentences with different font styles, font sizes, text alignments, and spacing. Continuing on the features of Microsoft Word, you can insert images and clip art. You can insert images and clip art in your Microsoft Word documents, since this feature allows users to add visuals that supplement the content of their text document. They can be resized and positioned anywhere in the document's layout. They can even be used as backgrounds. You can also insert charts and tables. Among the options offered by MS Word toolbar is the insertion of charts and tables into a document. Users can decide how any column and rows a table must have and what type of chart to insert to help them organize the information. Another feature is templates. So Microsoft Word offers free templates with preset layouts, which can be accessed immediately by the users. There are templates for letters, resumes, memos, reports, faxes, and more. It also has typo, and grammatical error detection. So Microsoft Word helps users to create spotless, well-polished documents with its spelling and grammar error detection function. As you write, MS Word will mark certain words with red if they're misspelled, and will suggest or autocorrect them with the right spelling through its autocorrect option. So saving and sharing document files. Saving and sharing document is a core feature of MS Words. Users can save their documents in their device storage or in OneDrive. If they save documents in OneDrive, They can share them with other users simply by granting view access or edit access. You can also add comments. So adding comments or suggestions is one of the features of MS Word Review tab, which encourage collaboration. Other users with edit access can write their remarks about the document and discuss with their peers remotely. Mm. Convenient document preparation. Microsoft Word offers best-in-class tools that help users formulate documents of any standard format in just a few clicks. You can create pages upon pages with a lot of room of error. It's easy to make corrections in MS Word, especially with its built-in autocorrect function. Um, Easy document and editing. You can import and insert existing documents in MS Words. From there, you can start editing said documents using MS Word's various tools. You can change the font sizes, font styles, and font colors. You can also adjust the margins, line spacing, and text alignment. MS Words gives users the freedom to revise documents however they want. And then you have access to the templates. Microsoft Word comes with free templates with preset styles, formats, and themes. With templates, users won't have to start from scratch. They can use the templates, preset designs, and simply fill in the blanks and make some customizations. Also, Microsoft Word is friendly to third-party templates. Easy sharing of docs. Microsoft Word makes it easy for users to share their documents with peers. They don't have to print physical copies and send them personally or through email. They can save documents in OneDrive and simply give the users access. Alternatively, they can send the documents files via email. Fast printing. The app allows users to print documents with multiple pages, but before that, MS Word users can customize the print layout of their documents before clicking print. As long as a printer is connected to the computer, the printing process is pretty much done. So how to create a Microsoft Word document? You just open up Word, then you select blank document. If the Word is already open, select File, then New, then blank document. And I can go over this in the live demo as well. But so how to create a document using a template, you just open a Word. If Word is already open, you click File and New. And you double click a template to open it. Share your document. To share a file from Word, you just select Share on the ribbon or select File Share. Select who you want to share with from the drop-down or enter a name or email. Add a message and select Send. Co-edit a document. After sharing your document, you can work on that file at the same time with others. For the best experience, work together in Word for the web and see real-time changes. Under Share, you will see the names of who else is also editing the file. Colored flags show you exactly where each person is working in the document. Track and review changes. To track changes, select Review, then Track Changes. To review changes, place the cursor before a change and select Accept to keep the change or Reject to remove it. And there are plenty of workarounds on how to create, curate, and manage your documents. Delete/remove a page in Microsoft Word. Deleting and removing a page in MS Word only takes a second. Download Microsoft Word on Mac. Microsoft Word is available on Mac, so if you're a proud Mac user, learn how to download Microsoft Word on Mac to get started with your paperwork soon. Double space in Microsoft Word. It only takes 2 clicks to enable double spacing in your MS Word document. There are so many more things you can do in Microsoft Word. These are only a few examples. Okay, so now I'll do the live demo. Templates are available. There's a lot of templates. Like for example, there's resume, cover letter, like other resume styles, research paper, newsletter, brochure, flyer. There's a lot of templates. But right now, let's just, if you want to just do a blank document, you just go ahead and click blank document. So you click blank document, and then down here, it says create. So you're gonna go create at the bottom right-hand corner, create. And now you just have a blank document. And then you can start typing already on here. And to change like the font, it's up here where it says Calibri next to 12. If you click the drop down menu, the arrow, you will see all the options for all the fonts that you can change. That you can do Times New Roman or Arial or any of these. So let's say I change it to Times New Roman. You can also change the font. So you can like click here and you can type in something, or you can also click this drop down menu and click one of the options. You can also make it double space if you want to. So that would be on, I think it would be on here. So on here, all these options are things that you can do to your paragraph style. So you can do bullets, take it out or put it. And there's also, if whenever you see this drop down menu, you have a few options. So you can do this style or this style, or you can take it out. You also have numbers, or you also have these. You also have if you want to do it double space. So you click the drop down menu, you do a double space. So now it would be double space as opposed to single space. You can also say you want to do this in the middle. So you do this and then you go over here and now it's spaced in the middle or spaced to the right or filled out. Yeah, and you can also change the color of your font. Over here, you have color. So let's say I want to do like purple. So I go here and I go hi, and it's purple. I don't know if you can see that, but I can also do like red. And then, so yeah, this is how you do, you can edit on here. You can also insert things. So up here, when you go insert, so yeah, you go insert and then you have pictures. So you can go photo browser or from your own pictures. So on here you can insert a picture, you can insert a shape. So let's say I want to do this. You make it however big or however small you want it. You insert a shape. And you can also, okay, after you have it inserted, make sure whenever you want to do something new, you just have it, this little cursor, text cursor is blinking. So that means you can add something else. So you can also add a table. So however long you want to make it, how many rows and columns. So let's say I want to make it like this. So I have a table now. You can also make it bigger or smaller by taking these little corners. And then, yeah, and you can also, there's like a lot of features on here. There's draw, like a draw feature where you can draw as well. How is it? But yeah, there's a lot of features on here. So let's say you are finished with your document, you're happy with it, you want to save it. So if I were to exit this out right now, let's say click X, it will tell me that if I exit out, it won't save it, anything that I did, and I will lose everything. So that's really important to save your work before exiting, and it lets you know a warning. So then you can click save or don't save or cancel. So right now I'm just going to click cancel, just to show you how you can um, save it. So to save a document, you're on here, you go, and right now I'm showing this on Mac, a MacBook, but I can also show a little demo for a YouTube video for Microsoft. But on Mac, you just go up here next to where it says Word, you go File, and then you go Save. So, or Save As. So right now I'll do Save As since it's a new document and I haven't saved it yet. So I'll just do Save As, and I'll just do that, and I'll click Desktop, and then I'll save it. Yeah, so I'll save that. And here I have it saved as a document, which is what Microsoft, the Word document is. But you also have a few other options if you want to do something else. You can even do PDF if that's what you want. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it as a doc, and then I'll click save. So now it's saved. And say I keep working on it and then I do a change and then I do something else. Then I go up here and I have to save again because I made a different, I made an edit to my file. So I had to go again, and I can just click save now. And it will just save the edit that I made. And up here is where at the top right corner is where you can do the share, editing, and the comments, editing, and share. So let's say you have this with somebody else, you make a new comment, and here you can see my name because I'm the only one on here. You can talk to the people if you share this with somebody else. You can do editing, reviewing, and viewing. So if you share this with somebody, let's say over here, you can share it on OneDrive and send a copy to the person and they can help you edit it. But I won't do it right now because I don't have anyone to share it with, but you can also do that. You can also request signatures, dictate if you want to dictate, and it will write down what you're saying. I'm not sure it will work right now because I'm talking, but yeah, allow to use the microphone. Hello. Is it working? Oh, hello. Okay. So yeah, that's how you exit out and see it wrote down hello with the dictate. So yeah.